Some of you might have noticed that V over here got a fancy new office. It came courtesy of my friend Fuzzy. We'll talk about him a little later. But for now, it's like a cross between what's the young stuff, calling young stuff, and a bit of the Environomicon thing. But then again, a lot of the young stuff is in the Environomicon thing. But anyway, let's see, who is this? Founder of Young Platform. This is an interesting little tidbit, something I'd like to share. This is about tarot. So you might be thinking, wait a minute, fucking cards? What are you talking about, V? Well, here we go. Working with the tarot, like exploring dreams and synchronicities, can serve the individuation process. It helps you maintain a connection to the unconscious. It increases openness to new perspectives while revealing our defenses or blind spots. It educates one deeply in the symbolic language of the psyche. Tarot is a powerful bridge to your own soul. For centuries, it has been used to divine insights and support spiritual growth. And it goes on about some stuff with some gratuitous exposition and we're excited that our master person is doing their whatever. We're gonna skip all that. Carl Jung once said, "The tarot in itself is an attempt at representing the constituents of the flow of the unconscious, and therefore it is applicable for an intuitive method that has the purpose of understanding the flow of life. Allow the tarot to support you on your inner journey. Deepen your competency in reading the tarot through a Jungian lens. Find enrichment in the images and symbols as can, I guess that's who this is, guide you through the exciting and life-changing program." Oh my, and here we have a little bit of sales pitch here. To register and become a certified tarot reader, click here. No thanks. I'm good. Guiding Dreams, Machiel Clerk, founder of Young Platform. I don't know if anybody's interested in that. You go for it. It's not my thing. No offense. And so forth. But yeah, it's a little something about the tarot. Maybe something some folks out there might not have thought about before. Might be something a little bit interesting to this unassuming deck of cards. Especially depending on how you're looking at it. Be surprised what you can get into. You start learning those languages, the unconscious. Seeing how it's speaking to you, because it always is. We've just been overlooking it. Yeah, I think that's about it for this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time. There's one more thing. I wanted to send a special thank you to a good friend of mine. He's been helping me out with some of the imagery around here. He set me up with this wonderful new office, by the way. One of many things. He's a fella around the swamps, goes by the name of Fuzzy. I'm not sure why anybody calls him that. I asked him and his brother one day what that was all about. They both kind of just gave me this funny look, as if I was missing something. But anyway, I just wanted to say a special thank you to him, and recommend him to anyone who might happen upon this video at any particular time. And be sure to check out some of his work. We'll stick a link down there in the video description or comment section. And he goes by Fuzzy Drawings on the interwebs. So again, Fuzzy. Thanks a lot, man. Much obliged.